Okay, on the left side we have the portable AC. On the right we have a regular fan. And the Blaux model is with the no misting, so no swamp cooling effect. And you can see a difference. There's 15-degree difference. On the right side it's 89.8. So that's almost 90 degrees. On the left side it's 74. That's 15-degree difference. So you can see it actually works. So this is the 2020 version Blaux portable AC personal unit. So 20,000 milliamp rating battery. Plug it into a USB regular if you want to have it running, or if you can unplug it and take it with you. They're very relatively lightweight, and with all these models, they're meant for personal space. So it's not a whole room AC. It's not a Freon unit where it's going to draw. The newer model, it's got newer type filters in here compared to the older model. And what I do is you can soak these in ice cube water, filled, and soak them in really good before each use. And you're really going to have a cold space, personal space. So in the top tray as well, cold ice cubes, and it works great. So a lot of people call them swamp coolers. It does have that function. You can hit the mister on the back, which a lot of people do in the wintertime for humidity, but in the summer you want cooling. So also has the light in there. So this is the newer model, upgraded. It's a little higher end, more power. So you have three settings: the fan speed, you can medium, low, high. You can adjust the fan and the direction up or down where the cold air goes. So here I got the light on for you so you can kind of see it, lighting effects. If you like it, just comment below. There's a link if you want to purchase it. Thanks for watching. All right, let's put this Blaux portable AC to the test. Cut it on. Okay, that's the fan. Okay, great. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, got the cool lights. That's cool. All right, let's put the AC. Let's see. Let's get this thing cranked up. Okay, that's coming in. Okay, let's cut it up a notch here.